Hello Internet marketers, thanks for checking back to How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reporting my day 20 of my journey to $100 a day with YouTube monetization. So here is my dashboard and you can see here I got monetization enabled around May 23rd. So let's go deeper into the revenue analytics. So around May 23rd here I made my first dollar from YouTube monetization, and then it started growing to about $2 here and then $5.66. So the first week I averaged about $5 a day, and it's kind of been increasing and even had $12 days, and now it's hovering about $7 a day after the day 20. So what I have been doing is basically just keep on pumping out internet marketing videos consistently, trying to do it every day. And you can see I don't get a whole lot of views, but the goal is to try to rank for these videos, because we all know YouTube videos rank very well at Google, and you also get a lot of views from YouTube search engine itself. So let's now look at the Google AdSense reports. So the AdSense reports is going to be more accurate than the YouTube estimated revenue, because as you can see here, it says I made about almost $120 since May 23rd to June 8th, and right here May 23rd to June 8th I only made $95 according to YouTube. So you have to look at your AdSense reports to get the whole picture. And my marketing channel gets pretty good ad rates. As you can see here, it got $7.58 per page RPM and almost 11 for the impression RPM, rate per milli, which is rate per 1,000. And here are the other stats. So let's see. So first day 200 views, and it's been, so the first week been getting about 600, 800, 900, and now after posting consistently every day I'm hitting above 1,000, 1,100, and hopefully it keeps going up and up. And total earnings started with $1 and then $5, and the highest day was $12 here, and now it's been hitting about, for the last week, about $7 average a day. So far so good. The goal is to get to $100 a day, and I'm about 7% to that goal. So I'll update you guys in my next report in a few weeks or so. Please subscribe for more internet marketing tips and tricks, and to be updated on my future progress on my YouTube journey. Thanks again, and happy marketing.